So, wait, this one. Ugh. I could low-key drink it. That's too bad. Dom's not new, I know. Thanks, Isabella. I'm on vacation. The boys are maybe on vacation for. Alright, Otto. Excuse me.
I just have to get like that good flavor of it though. You feel me?
Yeah, well, so sometimes I do go live with like guys I know, but as I say, only guys I know. Oh, sorry.
Well, I gotta move it out of the way. And it's charged up. Shannon, how you doing?
Ach so, hä? Habe ich doch schon. For work, that's how I'm gonna do it.
Guten Abend. Ey, Fibo, sehr stark.